unconventional approach to conventional challenges. A very unique topic for discussion in the times that we are right now in. So, COVID 19 has disrupted many industries, including the entertainment industry, which has been hit very badly. I would like to ask the next question to one of the most talented filmmakers Bollywood has, among many, Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar. When the lockdown ends, what do you expect to be the new norms of filmmaking? And do you see a way Bollywood returning to the Bollywood of the 20 teens?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
See, the thing is what Bollywood or Indian film industry, I would call, is been one of the biggest, largest filmmakers and producing people in the world. And today, suddenly, it's not only Bollywood, I would say, the film industry, entire global film industry has been shut in the lockdown. Okay. In my life, I would never thought about okay, there would be a time where all shooting would be shut. There would be a time where all theaters, operas are completely nowhere. There's no show. People are not coming everywhere. The lockdown is there, and we see amount of numbers. We are seeing everywhere the kind of deaths which taking place. Entertainment industry is always in the forefront. Always is a, such a thing is one of the escapist thing we see always. Today also, when the whole entire world is in a lockdown, you see people are watching Netflix or Amazon and people watching movies. So there also, the entertainment industry is entertaining them, and there are people who are watching those movies or series or whatever it is. I mean to say, but it's definitely it will be pre-corona and post-corona days, which will be then, which is affected big time. Actually, the workers who are working over here across the world, I'm talking about. I don't want to say about again on India. Across the world, the daily wages people who are working over there, and every day they is to get their money, and every day the shooting is to go on, and suddenly there is no food for them, there's no ration for them, there's no money for their paying for their credit cards and everything. So there's absolutely a big blow for them. Indian film industry over here, we lot of organization are there, or film fraternity is there, lot of actors are there who has contributed, which we have seen in abroad also, who has contributed to the well-being of these work people here, which we are giving them ration, we are giving them the whatever that they want, money for the daily thing. It is very essential. Now, the thing is what when the film industry will start once again whenever whenever the lockdown gets over. Now it can be after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, I don't know, because I'm speaking lots to the people across global. I'm speaking a lot of people in I spoke to people in Berlin, I spoke to people in New York, LA, Dubai, everywhere in India. So they say ki I spoke to the theater owners also. They say we don't see the theater opening till the time till September, October, because they feel case social distancing you have to maintain it. How you can allow people to get into a theater of 300, 400 people together sitting in a theater watching film together going over there. So that is another thing. Another thing, shooting also is the same thing. When our film industry is shooting, we shoot with actors. Hello? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah. We shoot with actors which have crowd over there. Any given point of time, we have at least 150, 200 people normal for a film shooting or a series shooting or a web series we are shooting. But if you're shooting in a crowd, there would be action scene, there will be a scene where dancing scene are there, where dancers are there. So how we are going to maintain the social distancing? It is very, very essential to see about it. I have come to know with a lot of people in abroad. They say we don't want to shoot till the summer of 2021. That means straight next year. Before that, there won't be. So there will be tremendous amount of losses, especially the films which are in the mid, which are being made, and there would be tremendous amount of changes which has to be done in terms of the budget, in terms of the scripting, everything. Because if you can't, if somebody says you cannot have people together crowded, there's a party sequence, there's a sequence where you have people in an event fun where how you can do all these things. So it's very difficult to go through the whole procedure about it. And I think the entertainment industry would be the last thing which will be opening throughout the world. I'm talking about throughout the world, not only in India, but throughout the world, because our film, our work nature is every time people are together, we are working together. There's a sequence, there's an event everywhere, promotion, everything is there. It cannot happen sitting at home. You cannot shoot a film sitting at home. I mean to say, it's very difficult. I mean to say, there would be some people who would make movies sitting, but that would be very niche. You cannot have a perspective, a storytelling to the world by you have to shoot and go physically over there, and you have to shoot a story, because film industry basically they're entertainers and they're storyteller. But I'm sure about it, we industry has survived the global, I mean to say, the Second World War, and we came again with a big entertainment industry came in a very big way. We have survived lots of uh, terror thing happened, bomb blast and everything. We did came pandemic, people have seen, and we have come. I'm sure about it. Okay, whenever entertainment industry start, it may be after 6 months or after 1 year or somewhere, the entertainment industry will be there and it will entertain the world globally. Thank you.
What was your most impactful personal learning during this pandemic, and what is your advice to the viewers?
Well, I think this was a great introspection for mankind, and I think we learned a lot from this. And globally, I mean to say, how we have got a, like, this whole thing really got us connected with mankind, people, relationship, friends. Like, we didn't have time earlier to connect with friends and all, so now we do video calling, we talk to them everywhere, because in day-to-day life we are all busy in our own world, so we always say we'll call you later and all. So there's a lot of time. Today we have the introspection of thing of meeting people, interacting with people, how global world is one big family where we are all fighting together. That thing really have come to us, and how uh, we survive in this lockdown. That is the main purpose. We think we everybody has got this thing, and I think, like doctor said, it is very necessary to do good exercise, yoga. It is very, because it's get fatigued when you're sitting at home all the time. Watch movies, read books, gardening, and best thing is connecting with your friends, family, and people, and watch some good movies. That is the only thing I would say.